Hello guys, this side Jatin Srivastava with Online SEO blog. Today we will discuss about Urban Company. It's a B2C startup that is bringing technology into play when it comes to enjoying services like plumber, electrician, saloon, photographer and others. Have you ever imagined that you will be scheduling a time with plumber for fixing the tap? You will be scheduling a time with electrician for fixing the wiring. But now it is possible with Urban Company. Let's have a quick introduction. Urban Company connects service seekers with service professionals. Talking about their founders, Abhiraj Bahl, Raghav Chandra, Varun Khaitan founded this startup back in 2014. Now the question is, why is it even worth to know about Urban Company? Well, they have achieved around $1 billion valuation. They have received over $60 million funding. They are providing 90 plus services to their 3 million plus customer with 50,000 plus experts. They have global presence across Dubai, Abu Dhabi and Sydney. Now let's have some insight on their service pool. Well, they have split their services into various categories. First category we have beauty and wellness. Under this, they provide saloon, spa, makeup and other services at your doorstep. Second category we have home repair and maintenance. This include electrician, plumber, carpenter and other services at your doorstep. Other services that they have include cleaning and pest control, online yoga. So these services vary depending on your location. Now why 3 million plus customer trust Urban Company? Let's check it out. First point, on-site service. You will enjoy their services within the comfort of your home. Second, schedule anytime. Fix a time with the expert and enjoy the service at your doorstep. Third, user interface. Easy to access application and website. Fourth, service satisfaction guaranteed. Service come with 30 days money back guarantee depending on the service you have picked. Now the question is, why 50,000 plus experts trust Urban Company? First point we have freelance work. No bossy culture, work as per your own schedule. Boost the revenue. Get higher commission for meeting your targets. Brand value. This comes very handy especially during the COVID-19 situation. The Urban Company brand will give you clients easily. Training. Professional training will be provided to the experts before onboarding. Now you people might be craving, how do they earn? Now let's have a quick glimpse. Commission based model. They charge 5% to 30% commission from the service expert. Selling leads. For some specific services, they sell customer leads as well. Wellness membership. Discounts and other benefits provided with this membership program to their customer. Now you might have observed how quickly Urban Company becomes first choice of customers. All thanks to their marketing team. You browse anywhere over the internet, you will encounter a Urban Company advertisement introducing about them and their services. Be it in the form of Google Ads, social media, YouTube, they have covered everything, which further contributes to their success. Now, I'm not here to sell UC services. We are going to share the other side of the picture as well, which include their drawbacks. So, top of the points include higher pricing, as if we compare with a local service provider. Many of their experts complain that they provide a lot of discount to end user which impact their earning. They have some poor reviews on platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn and Mouseshut. They lack in providing transportation facility to their service expert, which sometimes cause delay in the services. In the end, let's have a quick look at the recent news. UC reported 103% jump in annual revenue, reported by News at eTech. Then UC rolls out initiative for employees welfare, reported by Economic Times. Arogya Setu app makes mandatory for service experts. So this was about Urban Company, where I've tried to cover the complete picture. Did I miss anything? Please feel free to comment. And if you like the content, don't forget to like and share. Sayonara.